Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Samsung Wallet memberships on lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And from here, open up the Samsung folder. Next, tap on Samsung Wallet. Now in Samsung Wallet, I'm going to tap on the back key to go back to the Samsung Wallet homepage. And then tap on the menu tab at the bottom. Then we tap on the settings icon at the top. In the wallet settings page, go down and tap on quick access. And then we go down to the handle transparency section and then drag on the slider bar to the left hand side or to the right hand side. So drag on the left hand side to decrease the transparency, and to increase the transparency we can drag it to the right hand side. So you can see here, if I drag it all the way to my left, then the Samsung Wallet handlebar at the bottom here becomes very visible, so I can swipe up to open it. And to decrease the visibility of the handles, we can go into the wallet and we can, so I'm just going to go into settings and then go into quick access, and then we can set it to high transparency. So now the handlebar is invisible, but we still can use it. We can just swipe up to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.